The gathering of the eagles is not by mistake. There is a reason for everything. A woman delivered a child and named him Let My Own Live. Whose own does she wish to die? Almost everybody put effort in seeking for blessings from God, but only few remember to thank Him. Be contented in God's work and give thanks to Him, because if you don't value penny, you cannot value pound. Oghene oboworu kawe itewe jiruwe. Psalm 103 verse 2. Guri akarogwo erime. Wajerere rai atorwero. Oghene Metare wewe Oghene keme pawa ekparo jama pelu orwese do metare Oghene rote asano loru kabare Psalm 105 verse 2. Sineka swejiro karowo bikura irori kunura ye Oghene rote nena Soundhead is by far greater than money. Know that God loves you, and that with your poverty and soundhead, you are in heaven. If you visit the hospital, you will know what I'm saying. The heavens are telling the glory of God, and the firmament proclaims His handiwork. Day to day pours forth speech, and night to night declares knowledge. Oghene ase worukabe itewe jiruwe. Metare Oghene solo okano